Hello, this is Rachel from 4 by Felines. Thank you for joining me today. This is just a simple flip through of the next junk journal I'm going to use. I am 4 pages away from completing my 3rd junk journal and full of geek joy about that. I first got into junk journaling in April 2020 and the 3 journals I've completed in that time have been, I've ended up with big mouths. They're like big chunky beasts. And that's been fun, but it's taken months to finish them. And I want to feel a little bit more speed. So I've made myself this single journal one. I'm just going to give you a quick flip through. This page piece based on a Joie tutorial. I'll try and remember to link below. And I've just used a variety of book page, dyed page. I got this idea from Paper Outpost when she used stencils and then sprayed a load of tea on it. I'm going to do a tutorial for this little sewn in pocket. That's also a torn brown envelope. Little belly band. I've only done minimal embellishment to the pages at this point. This came out of a children's book and I love the colours in the image so much I wanted to use it. There's a little tuck there. And I love this little piece with this little bit of Cindy. I think in America it's very much about Barbie. I remember Cindy being the one back in the 80s. I think I may sew that down, I'm not sure. So this is just a quick flick through. That's one of the clusters I did. I folded the book page down to make that little tuck. I love that as a central piece. I love having a lovely big colourful central piece. And I've also folded down that top again to make that. Stuck in one of my little notebooks. That's a little flip I made earlier. This here. So as you can see, minimal embellishment so far because I tend to really over embellish my journals up till before I use them, so I can then just sit down and write. And that's been fun for the 3 journals I've done, but I want to have a bit more spontaneity about decoration. Henrietta presented a lively spectacle as the young minister, casual in a pink silk negligee, began to pray. I want to do more wordplay as well. Don't make enough time for that. So there you go. That is that journal flip through, and I'm really looking forward to doing this. And I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to do that paper bag. But there you go. So that's a flip through of my one signature journal. I've got a number of tutorials that are between the 5 and 15 minute mark, all about things you can make for your junk journal and happy mail. If you've been interested in watching this flip through, please like and subscribe. Future flip throughs, tutorials, ideas. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.